Hello everyone, welcome back on next my channel. Guys, I'm RK Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So friend, in today's tutorial we are going to talk about regex. What is the regex? So this is the regular expression. So what we are going to learn? So in this tutorial what we are going to learn is that about regex. What is the regex? Regex means regular expression. So let's suppose you have an email ID and if I'm giving ramcase at the rate, so this is not a correct format. Okay, you can see this is the wrong format. It should be like ramcase csc 084 or at the rate gmail.com. okay, but this is the not correct form. So if someone is using this format, so we should print some message that this is not a correct format. And if it is incorrect format like ramcase@gmail.com, so it is a correct format. Okay, so if we want to test that if email id is in correct format or wrong format, so at that time we have to use regex. So regex means regular expression. If you have done BTech, BCA or any computer course, so they might have teach you that what are the regex value, what are the regular expression. So there is a method to write this, so you can just go on the Google and search. But in this tutorial I am going to share with you that how you can utilize regex to check your email ID is valid or not, and you can learn that how I am going to apply this regex value on my email ID to check. This is my Unity and I have created one game object test, and I have added one script that is the test regex, and here I will enter my email ID. Okay, but let me show you that what I have write the code. So here you can see, first of all above you have to add using system.text.regular expression. Okay, basically we have to test on the text. So what we are going to test, that is the regular, means we call regex. Okay, so I have just taken one string email ID. Okay, you can get it from your input field, but currently I'm just showing to you here. And here I have taken one boolean value so that I can get to know that it is valid or not, because in boolean we get reply it is true or false. Here is our pattern. Here is our pattern, means you can call it is the regex. Okay, so it is similar to this, so I am using this one. So how I can utilize? So first I have to use regex class, and then I am creating one object, and in one object I am passing this pattern. Okay, so I am passing this regex expression. This is the expression, means it will be A to Z, 0 to 9. So these are the different symbols have a special meaning, so you can just learn in the regular expression, but these are the special meaning. So basically we are using the regex class, and I have write here one method that is the public, and it is returning boolean is email ID valid. So I am just taking one email ID, and here email ID I have just taken here, and I am using this object, and I am calling this method is match, and I am passing my email ID whatever I am getting here, and then return is email ID valid. So basically it is just helping us to verify that it is getting matched with this or not. And then in start I am just debugging it. I can call this method here directly, but I just wanted to debug here. So you can say is email ID valid, and I'm passing email ID here. Let's suppose I'm just going to test here. So let's go in Unity, and let's suppose now you can see is email valid, false, it is not valid. So you can just show a message that enter valid email address. See, is email ID valid. Okay, I don't know what was wrong in the last one, but if I change anything, so that will not show. So this is the way you can use your regex, and you can also use with your mobile numbers or with your any particular pattern. Okay, let's suppose our name is starting from M, so you can just write some regular expression. So thanks for watching, have a good day, see you in next video, and hope you enjoy this video, hope you learn something. So please like the video and ask your question in comment box.